Pinto has not been using her tail for about 4 or 5 days. I noticed it a few days ago when I was getting on those guys' cases about parking at our space at Cohen's. She had her tail down. I thought she was just doing it because she didn't like the guys or something. But she's been doing it for about 4 or 5 days. Just don't know what it is. But she's walking pretty okay. By the way, the truck is back after a month yesterday of being stolen. And when I got the call that they found it, I went anyway, I found a license in it. So I gave the cops, the guy who had written me up originally for having it stolen, I gave him the license, and I assume he took care of it last night, went and questioned the guy, and kind of took ownership of the truck. I sure did. Took my little Susu, and I don't think that cone was in there. It might have been, but they didn't take that. I think those are fairly good chargers. Yeah. Of them. Dummies left that. Anyway. We shall see. I don't really want to prosecute the guy because he could be a 2-timer and then 3 times and he's out and gets put in jail for 10 years for a $2,000 truck. No. So I'd just like an apology as to why he did it, you know. Right here on the street, between 11 in the morning and 5:30 in the evening, he took the truck. The keys were in it, they were on the floorboard, and you know, I just changed the battery out 2 days before. It had a dead battery for 3 weeks. Little baby Itchy still. The peonies bloomed beautifully this year. They only last for about a week. Anyway, so we got those installed. They're not working, but whatever.